What we have here is a mower that one of came in and he had hit something at a bent blade, and in here is the pin. Show him how he's got all those together.
Make this pin have
usually you don't have to make them. No, we can.
Well,
sometimes they have them.
Centers on here.
I know. So anyway, it goes right in there. If the mower, sometimes after you hit something, it snatches at you when you're trying to pull it. That's a sure sign that you sheared the pin. The pins are supposed to shear before it's supposed to shear before you break the crank. So there you go. So Charlie made another pin and put it down in there. That's the way, one way to do it. You know.
Let me see if that's gonna have to take. I might have to take that much.